Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this incredible fried rice. This dish is super easy to make and it's perfect to use up leftover vegetables. So let's dive right into it. To make an amazing fried rice you only need a couple of ingredients. Any vegetables that you like or just have lying around in your fridge. Some aromatics like garlic and ginger. A source of protein like eggs or chicken for example, and obviously some jasmine rice. I cooked this rice yesterday with a 1:1 water to rice ratio. Preparing your veggies for fried rice is super easy. There's only one rule you should follow. Cut all of your veggies to about the same size and shape so they cook evenly. If you decide to use some vegetables like carrots, which take a little longer to cook than others, you can cut them slightly smaller than the rest. Quick tip, if you're using zucchinis like me, I would recommend to take out the seeds because they tend to release a lot of water and get mushy. In case you also use spring onions, save some of the darker green hollow parts and cut them up very thinly, and there you have an awesome looking garnish for later. Next, to our aromatics. Cut up your garlic and ginger into small pieces like this and you're basically done. Optionally, you could also add some lemongrass or chili for an extra flavor boost if you like. Once that's done, we can head over to the stove. Place a wok on very high heat and add some peanut oil or any other neutral oil that can handle heat really well. Let it preheat and then throw in your proteins. To this you want to add some salt, some black and some white pepper. Stir up these eggs really well and try not to overcook them. As soon as they're done, transfer them to a plate. Next, add some more oil to your wok, let it come up to temperature again and throw in your vegetables. Add the same seasoning like before, salt, black and a little bit of white pepper and mix it all up. Fry your veggies for a couple of minutes and let them develop some nice char marks. Just be careful not to burn them because we are using the highest heat possible. In a fried rice, I like my vegetables best when they have softened a little bit but still have some bite to them. After a couple of minutes, add your aromatics to the wok and give this mix a good stir. This really brings out the flavors of these beautiful spices. After 30 seconds or so, add a good amount of soy sauce, let it fry for just another 30 seconds and then transfer everything into another bowl. I just quickly cleaned my wok with a little bit of water and wiped it dry with a kitchen towel. Now again, one last time, add some more oil to your wok and throw in your rice. Press down your rice against the wok like I show you in this clip to loosen up the structure a little bit and fry it for a couple of minutes. Once your rice is nice and toasty, throw in your vegetables and proteins, turn off the heat and stir it all up. Give it a quick taste test, adjust the seasoning if necessary, and your fried rice is done. You can keep the rice simple like this, but you can also experiment with using some more spices or herbs. For example, curry powder, cumin, coriander seeds, whatever you think is tasty, and so you can develop your own style. Finally, put your rice into a big bowl, sprinkle some of your spring onion garnish on top, and your dish is ready to be served. And this, my friends, is how to make a very simple fried rice. Well guys, let's do a quick taste test, shall we? You can really taste the soy sauce, but also the ginger and garlic in this dish. They give a really nice aroma. And what can I say? I really enjoy fried rice. I strongly recommend you to give it a go, especially if you have some leftover veggies lying around. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment down below and consider subscribing to see more cooking related videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.